Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Dylan here. Well, in today's video, I'm gonna tell you how to make $40 per hour as an Uber driver consistently. So I'm not talking about an hour here making 40 bucks and $10 over here. I'm talking about going out driving 30 hours a week and consistently making $40 per hour every single hour. So please thumbs up the video. Make sure you smash the subscribe button. If you're not subscribed to the channel but you're watching my videos, you're missing out on money because we teach you how to make more money. So, without further ado, let's jump right into it. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is download Work Solo. Work Solo is an app that basically, they're gonna guarantee that you don't make under a certain dollar amount. So when you go out and drive, you clock in on these shifts. So if you have a bad hour, they're essentially gonna pay you when you don't make a lot of money. And right now, our viewers get $10 when you sign up with our link and link your gig account. You can also file your taxes through Solo. They help you track your mileage, your expenses. So if you haven't filed your taxes yet, download Work Solo. You can download it for free anywhere in the country right now. Get your $10 by linking your gig account if you have just done at least one ride. And now this comes from Boomer McGinnis. So he is a Lyft driver and an Uber driver. And this is in our private Facebook group. We have over 20,000 members. You can join it via the link below. We have a bunch of helpful links down in the description box. Discount products for Uber drivers and Lyft drivers. You should definitely check those out as well. But look at this. He goes, Uber is robbing drivers, they say, but I'm spinning out $1,000 plus weeks in under 30 hours. So I did the math on here. $1,157.48. Let's pull up our handy dandy calculator. 1157.48 divided by 29 hours, right? Divided by 29. And it's 39.91. Okay, I rounded up 9 cents. I'm sorry, 8.5 cents. Because it's pretty much incredible that this man is hitting $40 per hour consistently. And the comments are going crazy. We've got 60 comments on this post, 21 likes and hearts and laughing. Got two people laughing. I guess they don't believe him. They say, what market? He's in Charlotte. He's in North Carolina. He's not even in like LA or New York or anything. He's in freaking NorCal, bro. He said, good for you. They are robbing drivers. They usually make $400 on a Saturday, and now I'm only making $200. They are taking about 45% of the fare, and there are 1 million drivers out. Yes, they are robbing drivers, while like me, make bank $100,000 plus a week. So he actually did the breakdown right here. So let's look at this, guys, okay? What do we got going on here? This is the upfront fare, $9. So if you look at this, this was a 3-minute ride for 1 mile. The vehicle type, he's doing Uber X, by the way. He's not XL, he's not Uber Black, he's not Uber Lux, Uber Comfort, Uber Green, all those, you know, BS ones. He's doing plain old simple, take out your Honda Civic, 2013 Honda Civic, and make 40 bucks an hour, okay? Time requested, 1:25 a.m., points earned 3 points, fare, $3.53 plus promotion. So he's showing that in 3 minutes he made $9. So if you can do 5 of those rides, or 6 or 7 of those rides in an hour, you're talking about making 60 bucks an hour. So I like how he actually breaks down the payments, right? Because usually people just don't at all. I should refund them for robbing Uber on this too. Literally, Uber is like, I don't know if this guy figured out the system or he hacked it, but yeah, he's making $9. The rider payment only paid $8, but he made more than what the rider paid. So that's kind of crazy. Promotions don't count, sorry. Yes, they do. I mean, it's money. Why would promotions not count? Must be nice to live where the minimum for a short trip is like $6 or $7. Meanwhile, I'm not even taking someone across the street for $3. These 6, 7, 8, 9 1-mile trips is with boosts and or surges. So basically his strategy, guys, is to do a bunch of really short trips and get the boosts because you get bonuses when you do 20, 30 rides. You can't do that when you're doing hour-long rides. His strategy is do a bunch of little short ones and get these massive bonuses. Look at the promotion he got, $270. So if he did, 1157 and minus 270, he would have only made 887 bucks. And if he, his tips are really good, I have to say, so he's probably, opening the door for them. So if he, let's say, only made 20 bucks on tips, which is honestly more accurate. Let's minus 80 bucks. Let's say he only made 807 bucks in 29 hours. 807 divided by 29. You're looking at 27 bucks an hour. This is the average typical driver who's going out and driving Uber. 27 bucks an hour. That's very normal. But this man, he's hitting that promotion bonus and he's getting way more tips. So next time you think, oh, I'm not gonna open the door for my passenger, it's, you know, they don't deserve it, they're not gonna tip me. Well, it adds up. 2 bucks here, $3 there. You know, go out of your way for them. Help carry the groceries to their door. Pick them up at the airport exactly where they want to be picked. Well, I guess you got to do it at the designated zone. But I mean, put their luggage in for them. Make sure your car's clean inside. Clean your car out. Have a little hand vacuum. You can get a hand vacuum or a car vacuum in the description box. We have a link down below for a discount on car vacuums. We actually already got a few orders of car vacuums. Somebody ordered like 2 car vacuums. I was like, well, maybe it's for him and his friend. But yeah, you know, those car vacuums really help out a lot with tips. Let me know your thoughts on this. Please thumbs up the video. Let me know if this is possible and how much money you're making per hour. And go ahead and check out Solo with the link below. Get your $10 simply for signing up and linking your gig account. You can do so right there. Again, they help you guarantee your pay when you go out and drive. They're gonna send you $10. They help you track your mileage, optimize your income, and they even help you file your taxes. And lastly, did want to just mention really quickly, if you did want to go get a hand vacuum or a car vacuum, I don't know why I keep calling them hand vacuums, but a little car vacuum, phone mount, any products for your car cleaning products, you can go to carproductsusa.com, and when you use code RideshareHub, you'll get a 10% discount code right now. That won't last very long, so go ahead and get some products if you'd like. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching today's video, guys, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye now.